Welcome back to Advanced English for Free, where we break down the complexities of the English language in bite-sized chunks. Today, we're diving into the art of precis-writing. Ever wondered how to condense a mountain of information into a single, powerful paragraph? Stick around, because we're about to reveal the secrets in just 100 seconds. Precis-writing, folks, is the art of summarizing. It's your weapon for acing exams, impressing your boss, and even crafting compelling essays. Step 1, read the text thoroughly. Absorb every word, every idea. You're like a sponge, soaking it all in. Step 2, identify the main points. What's the author's key message? Highlight it. This is your North Star. Step 3, eliminate the fluff. Get rid of extra details, examples, and redundant sentences. We want lean and mean. Step 4, craft a crisp and clear opening sentence. Think of it as your trailer for the movie. It should grab attention. Step 5, summarize the main points in the same order they appear in the original text. Keep it short and sweet. Step 6, maintain the author's tone and style. Your précis should mirror the original, just in a more compact form. And there you have it. Precis-writing in a nutshell, and all in just 100 seconds. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get those pens and start summarizing. Stay tuned for more language tips on Advanced English for Free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep those English skills sharp, and keep it precise.